Ka school St. Paul High Secondary School ha Nongpoh ka dei ka wei ni school ka badan Haka Than Ribhoi district kalalong ka jing ngau sarong ka dei ka Shillong anjing nang jingstan bat ka district hi barok ka wei ha ka ba menta ka si ka ni ka school ka rayo ban khet uso wathiang hadien ba wei ni ki khana pudi ulala ban pas baha parban ko ha kerdan ba khandai ha ka top 10 list jo ka exam high secondary school leaving certificate balapan bana da ka embos New Samlapuri na ka St. Paul High Secondary School uday bala tip kerteng kubu Sylvester Shadam bala pas bat poy kerdan ba khandai hadin ba ulakur hadu south pa arpo ar marks but your distinction haki south li ki subject ki ba kentho be ka kasi sociology health but history usama Sylvester Shadam uday konjo ba Joseph Singli bat ka kong le Philomena Shadam ba kwai hadu aruble basong basa hakashnong umdi harri boy district Nakalang usama Sylvester Shadam ulapan pauning kong ikajing sngomu ke bakrau u blay try kendra u balalam lentia u hakajing ban kreajung u yaka exam Hsslc padru igino hikajung u ki balala ban pentibet u baro shikata
Kong ai ngu yo blay try kendra ti blay hi bala pli kalat kalsianga but ti blay hi bala ayanga yakane kalat but ti blay bala pelat yang nakajing ma jimusau nadu banga sedang yaka exam but haduk menta banyo yakane ka result ru ngam sim la pang ngam sistem de ublehi bola yarap yang ublehi berpelaj yang nak gajin macam misal but haba ka embus kala pelaj yang ka result tengah segmen sebutnya banyak ba kajin prestem jangan kala urlong bat ngalayo bandung ka top 10 ha kekertan ka bakindai but nga kwa banai ublehi ki nuhikai ke bahikai yang ba deleng ba kajungki ba ngalala on poisa kane kathong bat nga ai kublei ru ya ipa chunga iba la jarap yang di belah kersan yang bat dei na kumta chung na kamenta chungi banga trestom bat deleng ba chungi banga bat haba one school ru kamdi kita ka basuk ihapan polut isa polut tengka hap polut bai kali baro bat haba ni poi saka thong ni dei ban prestom ba ka chin prestom chingi ka dei banong ka ba seiso but habang ni prestom nim dei ban trei tangdap handai ni dei ban trei na du ka gunut ka mesin nang ba ni ya to so jang ka jingjop
as Sylvester has said that he is thankful to God and at the same time he is thankful to the whole school community, the teachers as a whole, and that is what is more important in a student. No? A grateful heart, a thankful heart will be always blessed. And as a teacher, as his teacher, I have seen him working very hard. He's such a hard-working boy. He's dedicated to his work, and he never wastes his time. And that is what we want others to learn from him. He has set a good example. He has paved the way, being stood in the 9th position in the top 10 list in the Hsslc exam. So that is an encouragement to all the youth of Ribhoi also, that they can also do, they can also achieve their milestone, they can also achieve success in life if they really work hard, they wish for, and God will always be with them.
I'm thankful to God for blessing our school with the dedicated teachers and hardworking students. Really, I feel so proud to be as a headmistress of the school. And such a person like Sylvester Shadap. I'm proud to have you, Sylvester, for making our school proud by your hard work, your simplicity and your obedience has brought really a color to the school. So as a headmistress, I saw my students hardworking, my teachers dedicated, and it's a pride to the school to have a person like this.